Hola chicos, vamos a hacer un video de toca a boca.
Ajá.
Tú no me conoces, por favor, mírenla después video cuando yo arreglé la slime y después me va a conocer. So, si estoy aquí con Gaia, ella me dio uno.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a jugar toca a boca. Hace mucho tiempo que no los veo, perdónenme mis amores. ¿Cómo los llamo? Mis ratones, mis culeros, mis ratones.
Es que solo chicos, es que solo ella me dio.
Bueno, los voy a llamar mis delfines, digo mis gatitos.
Sí, bien, ella lo canta
Digo
lo.
mis Stitch.
Bien, ella tiene un nuevo teléfono con Stitch cosas y ahora este es mi teléfono. So sí, ella va a hacer más videos todavía.
Ajá, voy a hacer más videos. Pero todos los videos van a venir en mi account.
Sí, todavía van a.
Vamos a comenzar, pero va a ser en inglés, ¿verdad?
Sí, y todavía va a estar en la igual YouTube channel. So, tú no tienes YouTube, no te preocupes. Está en todo la internet que lo vamos a mandar. ¿Correcto?
Sí, correcto. Go, 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 go.
Gaia, esto va a público.
No importa.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
So, let's get started. Pero ahora mismo voy a hacer mi video, pero sí. Hey, Jennifer, do you want some clothes? No, they don't fit me. Okay. I'm probably going by the home store, so yeah. Yeah. What would you like? In the shop, there's a lot of stuff. So yeah, what would you like? Can I have that clothes and Sandra, hold that real quick. I'm just going to check out on the toy section. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much ASMRs. Gaia, ¿conté un bebé aquí solo? ¿Qué? ¿Por qué dejan un bebé? Ay.
Los voy a matar los que hicieron eso. Esto es para ellos. Para ellos.
Está bien.
Me caí.
Yeah, we're adding some more family. Gaia, we're adding this to our family. Excuse me.
Just
I want to go back home.
No.
I was meaning in the game. Okay. Can I buy that? Ooh, this looks cute. Oh. Nah. Can I try out these clothes real quick? Yeah, sure. Change. Put this on my head though. Take this out of my hair. Where did my hair go? Wait a minute. Gaia, I lost my flower. No! It won't get out of my picture. I'm gonna have to add a new flower.
Your flower. It's okay. You get a new one.
Yeah, I'll just grab a new one. Oh, these look so cute on me. Time to change. Oh, and Gaia, me numbers. We're soon going to go live soon. Yeah, so we're soon going to go live. Yes. Okay, I think I like this outfit, but no. It's just not. It's just too aesthetic.
No! No!
Yeah, so that will just. Can I grab some new headbands? I got new flowers.
Okay, my little scar.
Gaia, I got new flowers on my head. So yeah, I really want those. So yeah. Bum bum wash your bum bum wash it away. Should I do some ASMR? Yeah. These are so cute. I want them all. Why did you leave a kid here? Like, whoever did that, I'm going to kill them. Of course, we're going to get a pink bob for, like, the kids. Is there any, like, what is this? Wrapping paper. Okay. Now the bum bum squeaky clean, but there's no towel. Be seen. This is so cute for little babies. So yeah, of course we're going to need some toys for her. Wait, don't I already have a daughter? Oh yeah, that's her cousin. Gaia, I'm going to give the baby to a random person. A credit card! I got a credit card or a debit card. So yeah, here's to our family members, the twins. Okay, here, hon. We're going home. But Mom, we didn't even get to toy aisle. Fine, we're going to the toy aisle. And we got new squishmallows, so yeah.
I want to play.
Honey, what do you want from here? Mom, but please, I really want to buy something. Fine. You should drive a car.
Play right now.
We need to eat.
Okay.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring.
Stop calling me or I will kill you.
But I'm trying to tell you something. You left one of your kids here.
No way!
I left my kid.
That's not my kid.
Oh, I mean the other one. Where is it? It was just right there. One. This one.
That's not my kid.
But where is it then? Because I just
I
saw
have
it.
my kid over here.
Your other kid. You forgot it.
Where is it?
You forgot your other kid.
I have already my 2 kids.
Oh.
No se vaya.
Toma, Betania.
No se vaya.
Tu mami.
Sí. Hello. Sí.
Que me avise porque mira que te manda a buscar, ¿viste?
Okay.
Me avisa.
Aquí.